Hey guys, it's Shirley here. Today I'm going to solve this Leetcode medium problem, swap nodes and pairs. Given a linked list, swap every two adjacent nodes and return its head. You must solve the problem without modifying the values in your list nodes. So first I'm going to create a sentinel node where the value is basically set. The first node will be 0. And the following, next pointer points to the head. I'm also going to create a previous node, which is set to sentinel node. Now look through the linked list one time. So while head is not null and head.next is not null, I am going to set the first node equal to head, the second node equal to head.next. And I'm going to set prev node, the next pointer of previous node, equal to the second node because you want to swap the second node with the first node. So the second node will be first in this case. And then I'm going to set the first node.next equal to due to the second pointers to pair after the first pair. And then I'm going to set second node equal to first node. No, I mean a second node, the next pointer will be equal to the first node. Then I'm going to set previous node equal to first node. And I'm going to set the next pointer of head to, I'm going to iterate through the head like this. Now I'm going to return prev sentinel.next. Alright, faster than 98%, that's pretty good. So the runtime complexity of this would be O of n because we're looping through a linked list one time, so n equals the number of nodes in a linked list. And the space time would be O1 because we're not using additional space. Thanks guys.